Hey, what's up you guys? It's Shane from Learnerpreneur, and in this video you're going to learn how to change who can see your TikTok video before posting. TikTok makes it possible for you to decide who can see the video that you post before you post it. And to do that, all you have to do is open up TikTok, make sure that you're logged in, then go down to the bottom toolbar and click on the plus sign, just like you would for any other video that you're going to shoot. Now you can shoot right from the app, of course, or you can upload from your camera. I'm going to click on upload, and I'm going to pick this video right here because it's cool, and then I'm going to click next. I'm going to click next again, but you can trim a video before you post it, which is super cool. Now from this page you can of course adjust the sounds, effects, text, and stickers, as well as many different filters and a voiceover. When you're all set with your changes, just click next. And that will bring you to your pre-post page where you're going to want to find the title of who can watch this video. It's right underneath your post. Click on who can watch this video. And you can make it possible for everyone to see this video on TikTok, only your friends that follow you back on TikTok, or you can actually make the video completely private and visible only to yourself. I hope this video helped you on how to change who can see a TikTok video before posting. If it did, smash like, subscribe, and watch this video right here to learn another cool trick with TikTok.